Hello everyone. So today is Tuesday and today I am trying to do some bench press exercise on with this amount of weight that I have with me at present. So as you can see, this is the setup right here. So this is a parallel bar which was made in custom made, and then these are the weights that I have purchased from Flipkart a few months ago. So this is a bench right here. So this is the whole bench press setup. So for me it's quite working because the weights is not too much. So these are two plates of 5 kg and these two iron plates of 3 kg and this plastic plate of 3 kg. So a total of 10 9 19 kg on each side, 19. So that's total of 38 kg. So along with the weight of the bar, so let's approximately say that it's a total of approximately 40 kgs right here. So I will be doing this 40 kg bench press for 15 to 20 reps, a total of 4 sets. Also I am not able to increase the amount of weight because this is the this much of space should be left because the size of these plates is too big. So because of that this not be able to I will not be able to add it. So that's it. So before starting this, I have already done my warm up with 20 kgs of bench press for around 15 reps 2 times. So I am ready to go. So let's get this started. Alright. Alright, so it's a total of 38 kg in total. Along with the bar is almost 2 kg, so approximately 40 kgs of benching. Alright, let's start. Narrow grip, normal regular grip. Let's lift it. Alright, the setup is holding perfectly for now. So I think I did one rep more. I think I did around 16. In the middle I actually forgot how many reps I did. So that's why. Alright, it's doable. 40 kgs. So approximately right now I am around 61 to 62 kgs. So 75% of that is approximately around 40. So 60 half 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Yeah, you could say that around approximately, not too much, 75%, but still 60 to 75 in between that. That's good for me right now because I have never trained bench press because I've been doing bodyweight exercises most of my training time. So what to say, yes, changing it for now, it's actually definitely going to help me in improving my strength. So from now onwards I will be trying this bench press, the 3 compound exercises, which is a bench press, squats and deadlift. So with this 40 kgs most of it because I don't have much budget. Also this rod is going to hold a maximum of this 40 kg at 38, approximately 40. So that's the drawback for it right now, but still let's train with this 40 kg for now and let's keep improving. So let's complete the next set. Alright, enough of talking. Yes, I've already took my time. Alright, let's get started. I will be doing around 15 reps. Alright, so I did a total of 13 reps. I think I need to wrap my wrist up because pushing on the last 2 reps I was feeling a little bit strained. So I think I will wrap this up so that I get a proper support. Yeah. Also, let me clarify one thing, that I don't have too much knowledge about weight training. So if you ask for bodyweight training, I am sure that I have quite a bit much knowledge about bodyweight training, but as for the weight training, I have very less amount of knowledge. I have theoretical knowledge, but I don't have too much of practical knowledge because I never went to gym. I did once in a CrossFit gym in Guwahati, but not much about the basic compound lifts. So I am doing this with my theoretical knowledge only. So yes, I did a course on basic basic bodybuilding course online. So according to it, to gain a proper strength, and in between you have to do around 12 to 15 in between reps. Also through online videos of popular coaches, it's expected to let's expect it to say that doing approximately around 30 to 15 reps of weight training of benching is good for muscle hypertrophy. I think, yeah, that was what it was called, I think. Yeah. Alright, enough of rest for me right now. 1 minute and is already passed, so let's do the third set. Yes. Naps again. Yeah, let's say first try, so let's keep it up to that many reps only. Last set left. Alright, let's stand up and walk a little bit more. Alright, let me check if the video is still running. Yeah, it's running. No problem right here. So I think I will be doing next some ab exercises for today along with this. Oh right, I will be also doing pull-ups. Right, it's been a long time since I did a back exercise, so let's do some pull-ups back exercise along with this bench press. Alright, I think 1 minute has already passed, so let's do the final set. I think I need to go a little bit low. Oh, red grip right here, grip right. Alright, 9 reps for now, and this is it for the bench press. Well, it's wobbling right here. I will show you. See, it's wobbling both sides because this much amount of weight this bar can only hold. If I add too much, it will not be able to occupy, so this might come out, so that will be very, very dangerous for me. So that's it for this, and I will do some pull-ups. Alright, let me place it right here. As you can see. Okay, I will speak about something which I have been doing in the past few days. Yes, from the past few days I have been doing. So from the past few days I am not doing any proper training, like 5 to 6 days per week, something like that. So most of the time I am studying, and the rest of the time in the night before sleep I try to do some upper body exercises like push-ups, and then I do some dumbbell curls, etc., just to get the size of the biceps as well as the shoulders. I do also some shoulder raise, like dumbbell lateral raise, something. So that's the only exercise I've been doing. So according to me, I have not been training legs from a very long time. Like 2 to 3 months back I did some leg exercises. So there was a video I've already posted, like leg day of a calisthenic athlete, like something like that. It will pop up right in the I column, right in the above. So I have just been doing some knee strengthening exercises, but since I have very less mobility on my ankle, because of that I don't have much depth, much squat depth. So I think I will be starting my leg workouts from the next week. Yes, before until I finish this upper body routine for this week. After that I will start doing leg lower body exercises from the next week. That's it. Alright, so this is it for this video today. So I know that I have talked a lot unnecessary things, but still I was thinking of expressing these things towards on this video. So that's it, and I think I will upload another video about another exercise video soon. So that's it. Thank you for watching.